Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah and today I have a really exciting video. I'm going to be doing a Glossier PR unboxing. So yeah, they did send me 2 boxes. I was very confused because I thought I was only going to be getting 1 box. But since they did send me 2 boxes of the same products, I tried one out last night and then I also thought it would be fun to unbox the other one on camera. I used the products from the other box last night so I could give my opinion in this video. I thought it would be super fun to do an unboxing because I love watching people unbox. It's kind of like Christmas even though it's not my product. So yeah, let's get right into it. I just got these yesterday, so this is like a very fresh unboxing. It's not like it's just been sitting here for a long time. So here we go, we open it up. I have these 2 pouches here and then they also threw in the cute I'm voting sticker. First little pink pouch, we have the Body Hero line. First product is the Body Hero Daily Perfecting Cream. I love the packaging, it's very cute, very minimalistic. I'm obsessed. So this has, on the website it describes it as an orange blossom and neroli scent. It's not super strong. So we're gonna do a little texture shot here. So here's what it looks like and you rub it in and it just makes your skin look very healthy. This kind of feels like an oil and water type of lotion. I really like that. I love lotions that give me that slippery sort of feeling on my skin because I feel like it's really moisturizing. The smell gives me a department store vibe. This smells really good. The orange blossom and neroli in there, it smells nice. It really reminds me of something that I would find at Saks or Neiman's or something. I really do like this. Next they sent me the Body Hero body wash. And this is a daily oil wash. I've never tried an oil body wash before. I've never even seen an oil body wash. But this one has that same orange blossom and neroli scent. It smells like a skincare product mixed with the orange blossom floral vibes. And I feel like I'm going to reach for this a lot in the colder months. I do live in Texas, so it is currently 90 degrees right now in the middle of October. But once it hits like January and stuff, I know I'm going to be reaching for this a lot more because my skin felt so moisturized when I got out of the shower. Paired with the Body Hero, I think this is great, especially for these winter months. So if you've been looking for a good moisturizing body duo, I definitely recommend these 2. So next we have the more makeup, skincare, beauty products. This is the Glossier You perfume and this is a 1.7 fluid ounce bottle. And this is one of those perfumes that's supposed to smell a little bit different on everybody. I've never tried one of those before, so I was very excited when they sent me this. So I'm wearing it right now and it has a very nice floral scent. I read some reviews before I got this in the mail and people were saying that it gave them a beachy vibe. On me, this smells like a really nice clean floral scent. I definitely would reach for it more in the spring, but I do think this is going to be my everyday perfume. This smells so great. This once again is giving me that very bougie vibe and I really do like that because I have been looking for a staple perfume and I think this is going to be it. This is what the perfume bottle looks like. It looks really cute in my bathroom on top of my makeup shelves. I really like it and you actually don't need that much of this. I think I put a spray on my neck and then a spray on my wrist and it's very there. I definitely smell it, but it's not super overpowering. It's not giving me a headache or anything. And when I got this last night, I did try it on and I wore it from around 6 to midnight and it was still very there. So I feel like this is going to be a very long-lasting perfume. I'm super excited about this next product. This is a Glossier Wild Fig Balm Dotcom. The packaging is adorable. I love the figs on there and then they have it on the other side with some lips on it. And this is what the product looks like. It's super cute. It is green and it has some light purple on there and it has some reddish copper writing. The color of the writing matches the tint of the balm. It kind of just smells like candy, just like a really nice sweet tart candy. I don't know what a fig smells like in real life, so I can't really attest to if it smells exactly like a fig, but it does smell super nice and I have it on my lips right now. I'm gonna put on a little bit more, but it's a really cute everyday color. It's kind of like a brick coppery color. I really enjoy this. This isn't one of those colors that you can apply without a mirror because it does have a little tint to it, but this is still a very nice color for every day because it's not too opaque. It's a nice sheer wash of color. It just gives you a nice healthy look to your lips. Next we have bubble wrap, and I've been eyeing this for a very long time, and this retails for $30. I realized that I forgot to include the prices. I'm going to include them on the screen somewhere. So this is their eye and lip plumping cream, and not plumping as like a tingling painful sensation, but plumping as in hydrating. I have very, very dark under eye circles. Like I cannot leave the house without concealer. So I'm really hoping that I'll see some sort of results with my under eye. I did try this on my lips last night. This is what it looks like. It looks really nice. It has some weight to it, and let me show you. I used this on my lips last night and they did feel hydrated, so I really like that. It's not like a heavy moisturizer. It's a very light moisturizer. It kind of feels like you have an oil on your lips that's kind of soaked in. So I feel like this would be nice as a lip primer if you're wearing a matte lipstick. I have yet to try it on my under eye area. My lips did look very plump and hydrated after using this. So yeah, I did really like this for my lips. I'll let y'all know what I think about it under my eyes later. Next we have the Super Pure Serum, and this is a zinc and niacinamide serum, and this is supposed to help to decongest your pores. This is supposed to be great if you have acne or anything. I haven't tried it yet, but I really do like the packaging. It looks very medical. I feel like I'd find this at a doctor's office. I've been dealing with a little bit of acne. You probably can't see it, but it's on my, like, just a little bit on my cheeks. So I can't wait to try this out. And I'll let you know in the comments or something what I think about it after I get to using it more. Next up we have Lash Slick. This is the Lash Slick Film Form Mascara, and on the website it says it's supposed to give you a baby lash extension effect, and I love anything that has to do with lengthening my eyelashes. So this is it out of the box, and I did use this today so I could show you guys what it looked like. And let me show you. Let me see my do you see my eyes? Not really. Okay. But it did give my eyelashes a really nice pop. My eyelashes look great. They're nice and separated. I do see a little bit of lengthening. They do look really nice, black and separated. I hate clumpy mascaras. And this is what the wand looks like, if you can see. And it is a plastic bristle, and it did really help to separate my lashes and make them look nice, long, and defined. So this gets a 10 out of 10 for me. Last but certainly not least, I have the lip gloss, and this is the clear one. I've never tried their lip gloss before. I'm a big lip gloss addict. I'm obsessed with lip gloss. Y'all have seen my lip gloss collection. I have over 60 lip glosses, and this is it out of the packaging. This is the unopened one, but this is my one that I'm going to be trying out for you today. It's so cute. Like, it's literally so cute. So it looks like this. Looks like this. It's very tiny, very compact. This is my index finger, and this is how big the actual product is, and this is $14. Let's see if it has a little smell. It has a nice little vanilla scent to it. I'm actually going to take off the Wild Fig Lip Balm so I can give you a more accurate review of the texture and how it makes my lips feel, all that good stuff. So I'm going to be right back. My lips are naked right now. I'm going to put on the clear lip gloss. You can't go wrong with a nice clear gloss. Wait. Ooh. Ooh. I see what the hype is about. So this feels like a really nice, thick, moisturizing layer on my lips, and it smells like vanilla cake. I love a good vanilla scent. And it also has a mirror-like shine to it. I can't believe I've never tried this before. It's so good. It is definitely worth the price. I'm so happy that I got this. I've been wanting to try it for years, so this kind of just made my life that I got to try it today. So yeah, y'all, that's everything for this Glossier unboxing. I hope that y'all enjoyed. Thank you to Glossier for sending me these products. I love everything that I got. I wasn't even expecting anything less because I have been using their cloud paint for years. Like I said, I'll leave all prices somewhere in the video, and if not, I'll just put them in the description box. Plus, I'm also going to include a link for 10% off of your Glossier purchase in the description box. So if you're interested in buying any of these things, you can click the link and get a little discount. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!